Behind me is the impressive Verto building, a landmark within Reading's town centre. 16 floors high, the development has the benefit of 2 roof terraces, a residence gym, a residence lounge, and we have a lovely 2-bedroom apartment just coming up for sale. Open plan, as you might expect, modern day living, very nicely presented, 2 good sized bedrooms, nice bathroom, very much high-end engineered wood flooring, and just some really nice features. So let me take you inside the building and show you what it's all about. Okay, so this is the open plan living room, kitchen and dining space. Very nicely laid out, all immaculate presentation throughout. We have the benefit of an engineered wood floor through this area. As you'll see, we've got a very nice kitchen area with the central island with the built-in hob. Dual aspects, we've got these lovely big windows with views in and around the town centre. And a balcony here off the living room. So just over to my left, we've got this very useful storage cupboard. You can never have enough storage in an apartment. Just to give you an idea, so the washing machine is plumbed into that space, and then the owners have created some very useful shelving around it, just to help keep everything hidden out the way. So this next door takes us into the bathroom. So nice big tiles, full-size bath, wash basin and WC with a tiled floor. The first of the 2 bedrooms. So again, nice big floor to ceiling window. Good sized double bedroom and a nice big built-in wardrobe. And then the second bedroom being used as an office, but it could accommodate a bed if it needed to. So again, floor to ceiling windows. There's also a built-in double wardrobe. So they really have made best use of all the space. It's incredibly quiet here when you bear in mind we're in the centre of town. If I just pause for a moment. No road noise at all. So the double glazing doing exactly as it should. Okay, so this is what they call the mezzanine level. This is the residence lounge that I mentioned at the start of the video. Very nice space. As you can see, some table football there. It's got air conditioning. There's a TV in here and several sort of, I suppose, breakout areas, if you like. Nice sort of sitting area, workspace, bar top. There's a sink and everything in here. There's even a toilet as well. So nice place to come with guests, or as I mentioned earlier, to meet with other residents. Really nice, well looked after space. This is the roof terrace on the 7th floor. and has a very nice panoramic view across Reading. You can also just see across directly ahead of us the Abbey ruins. I hope you've enjoyed the video and, like myself, can see the benefits of apartment living in the Verto building, what with the residence gym, communal lounge, the outdoor spaces, plus the connectivity with 10 minutes from the station, 10 minutes from the Oracle. Really is a great place to be. Beautifully quiet, beautifully presented. Get in touch, let's get you around for a viewing.